Well, welcome back to my channel. It's Here We Go theme park, and today I'm going to show you what's the coolest feature in the Harry Potter area. So follow me. This is cool. This is cool. This is delicious. This is cool. But you know what's even cooler? Come here, I'll show you. Donkey Kong cranes. That's even cooler. Yeah, look at those cranes. The red and black crane and the green and red crane. So right now it's November the 21st. So yeah, I'm coming here all the time. And yeah, I'll show you the cranes every month. So enjoy. Here we go.